Are cats agents of the devil? There was a deep superstition towards cats in Europe during the Middle Ages. Especially black ones were positioned with the devil. This belief was introduced by Popix in 1233. It was put forward by. This situation is reinforced by the statements that cats are agents of the devil in Gregory's letter Vox and Rama, which encouraged the killing of black cats in particular. As a result, it led to increased deaths of cats. This increase accelerated the advance of plague-carrying fleas, contributing to the rapid acceleration of the Black Death epidemic that began in Europe in 1347. This incident is an example of how superstitions and misunderstandings could lead societies to disaster in the Middle Ages.